Now after entering records in the database by insert function, let's try to fetch them. So how to fetch the records from database using Python? So for that, what we have to do, again we have to declare a connection or open a connection, then create a cursor. After creating a cursor, now we have to do the selection of records from it. And how do you select records from the database table? So to select the record from database table, you have a standard function that is select star from. Now in this function select star from, you have to add one more function or one more clause that is called as where. Now where is a condition by which we can mention few of the filters while fetching the record. So right now in employee 1 table, we have seen in the last discussion, in employee 1 table we have 4 entries, and all those 4 entries are Ram, Shyam, Vijay and Rajaram. Now you want to fetch only a few out of it. So how we can do it? So we can mention some of the filters here. What are the filter? So we have mentioned that select all entries from employee 1 table, but where the address should be Delhi 6. That means fetch only the employee whose address is Delhi 6, right? So this entry should come up because we have mentioned address is equal to Delhi 6, right? So if you are doing it, you can see Ram has been fetched with address Delhi 6. So this is about where function. Now next entry in the where function, or next level of where function, is using wildcard entries. Now what are wildcard entries? So wildcard entries is, many a time there will be a case where if you have an entry in the database as Ram, and you don't want complete word to be mentioned, instead you just want to mention that if AM is present in it, then it should bring in, or anything like if the entry is ending with M. So if you want to search all the entries which are ending with AM, then they should come up, so Ram will come up, or any entry which are starting with M, or any entry which is ending with M. So this kind of filtration if you want to do, then they are called as wildcard, where you want to just fetch the data from the table based on some partial met criteria, right? So here again, to execute wildcard, we have to open a connection with database, and then after opening a connection we have to create a cursor. So that is what we have done as a standard. Now we are mentioning select star from employee, that is a selection select function, select command, and then in where we are going to use like. So instead of equal to, we are using like here, and like is something which will mention the wildcard. Now in this we are mentioning like, and then Delhi, and then percentile at the end. It means that this percentile means, says that any entry which contains Delhi in the front, any entry of address which starts with Delhi, they will come up. Now is it going to be Delhi 6 or Delhi 21? All the entries will be fetched. All right. So from employee 1 table we are going to fetch it. Let's see. And here you see Delhi 6 and Delhi 21 both are being displayed by using this wildcard. Similarly, this is the wildcard where we are checking any entry which is starting with something, but any entry which is ending with something, or any number, any character which comes in between something, then you can again use double wildcard here. So here you can see select star from employee, where address is like, and then we are checking anything around, anything before E and anything after E, both should come. That means those entries in the address where we can see E at any place. So those entries in the database where we can see E at any place, they should come up. So when you are going to run it, so you can see this particular entry which contains Delhi, E from Delhi, then E for Pune, and then E, and then this and this. So these entries are being printed from the table. We have run this query on employee table. Let's run it on employee 1. So if you run it on employee 1, again E and E. So E is present everywhere. If you are going to run the same thing on N, so you can see N is present only in Pune. So N is coming up. N does not present in Delhi, so it is not coming up. Right? So this is how you can do the where clause with wildcard. Right? Now this is something where we want to find out N at any place, but if you want to find any entry which is ending with character M, so we have run the same query, but where we have put in name is like ending with character M. So if you are going to run it, you will find out. Again, I have run it on employee, so let's run it on employee 1. So you find that Ram, Shyam and Rajaram. Vijay is an entry which does not ends with M, so that has not been displayed. Alright, so this was about where clause in MySQL. Thank you.